Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to lock a column in Google Sheets. Locking a column, also known as freezing a column, is a useful feature that keeps a column visible while you scroll horizontally through your spreadsheet. This is especially helpful when working with large spreadsheets that contain many columns. To get started, open a blank Google Sheets spreadsheet. For this example, we do not need to enter any data. First, select the column that you want to lock. To select the first column, click on the letter A at the top of the column. Next, go to the View menu at the top of Google Sheets. From the View menu, move your cursor over the Freeze option. Now, select one column. The first column is now frozen. When you scroll horizontally to the right, the first column will remain visible while the rest of the sheet moves. This feature is very useful when you want to keep an important column visible while viewing information in other columns. If you want to remove the frozen column, simply go back to the View menu, open the Freeze option, and select No Columns. And that's how you can lock or freeze a column in Google Sheets. The process is simple and can help you navigate large spreadsheets more easily. Thank you for watching this guide. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more helpful Google Sheets tutorials and technology guides. See you in the next video.